God, it's so good to be back to Fusion Fitness. Wait a minute, where's that? Oh, quarantine. But, you know, I think I've done pretty good considering that, you know, I just got a few pounds. We've got, what, 8 weeks? I'm ready. All right, I'm ready maybe tomorrow. Oh, chips. Holy smokes, everybody's leaving stuff out. I love this stuff. But it's good to be back in here. I feel good. I'm ready to work out. Just gotta, I think, I don't know, but maybe tomorrow if they let me back in here, I can start getting focused for the show in July. But I think I'm doing good. I just got a few, maybe hit the cardio a little bit more. Oh, I hate cardio. But maybe, yeah, starting tomorrow, I can get back into the flow and get ready for the show. But it's good to be back in here. But I'm gonna start tomorrow. Today is just about getting some more carbs and getting my body ready for the workouts. But I'm doing good. I think I look, oh my God. Okay, maybe I got a little more work to do than I thought. But we'll start tomorrow.